Hi friends, it's me Pratyusha here. In this video, I wanted to show you how to make a perfect combination of aloo curry with besan powder, and it is very yummy, and with the combination of puri it is very good. To make this curry, I have taken 3 medium sized potatoes and cut it into 4 pieces and then put it in the cooker to make like 4 to 5 whistles so that it will be cooked very nicely. And then take another big pan uh, to add 2 tablespoons of oil and then add red chilies and other tampering ingredients like urad dal, chana dal, mustard seeds and everything together, and let them splatter nicely. Once it is done, changed into colors and mustard seeds are spluttering, wait until that time. So once they are done, I am going to add onions. I want to cut the onions into thin, bigger, long size onions because they will be visible differently. And I cut the chilies also in bigger size. It is up to you, but I like to cut the onions in this way. And then let them cook, let them turn into brown color. So here is my onions are cooked nicely. Now I have peeled the potatoes and mashed them. I'm adding turmeric powder and then I'm adding the mashed potato here directly. Everybody is doing the same, but I feel the important part is adding ginger and curry leaves and chili. Green chilies are very much important for this curry. This is a very perfect combination for puri and everyone will like it. So I have added all the potatoes here and then mix it together and then cook it 10 more minutes. If you want, you can eat it as it is. If you need to add salt and then take it out, otherwise we can add the besan powder. Now in this curry I am adding few curry leaves and then afterwards I am adding 1 cup of water and stir it nicely. Here I am adding a big amount of ginger. I am crushing it through the pestle and then I am adding into this curry. It gives nice flavor and it is also good for digestion, so that we are adding here. And also I have taken a 2 or 3 tablespoons of chickpea flour or besan and then mix it nicely without any lumps and then add this one into the curry. Once you add this besan powder, then it change the flame into medium, otherwise it will form lumps, and keep on stirring it. And if you want, you can add some more water here. Afterwards just cook for 5 more minutes and check the taste of salt. That's it, our curry is ready. It's very delicious. It's a correct combination of puri. Enjoy it and let me know your comments in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.